To maintain your health, both Ayurveda and yoga has to go hand in hand. What we do is, if anyone comes with an ailment, then we give the medicines and tell them to practice few yogasanas and 1 or 2 pranayamas along with the medicine. 100% results will be expected from them. So, along with medicines, if you practice 2 pranayama and 1 simple yogasana, children can practice very simple yogasana. For example, I want to tell you that every day if you sit down and have your food, afternoon I think you all have food in school, but when breakfast and dinner you have at home, right? So make a practice of sitting down on the floor and having your food. That is the first yogasana you should.
ಯೋಗದಿಂದ ರೋಗ ದೂರ ಸಾರ್ಥಕದ ಬದುಕಿದೆ. ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಿ ಯೋಗಿಯಾಗು ಸಾಧನೆ ನಮ್ಮೊಡನಿದೆ. ಯೋಗದಿಂದ ರೋಗ ದೂರ ಸಾರ್ಥಕದ ಬದುಕಿದೆ. ಯೋಗದಿಂದ ರೋಗ ದೂರ ಸಾರ್ಥಕದ ಬದುಕಿದೆ. ಅರಿತು ಬಾಳಿ ಸಗ್ಗವು ಮರಿತು ಬಾಳಿ ನರಕವು. ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಿ ಯೋಗಿಯಾಗು ಸಾಧನೆ ನಮ್ಮೊಡನಿದೆ. ಯೋಗದಿಂದ ರೋಗ ದೂರ ಸಾರ್ಥಕದ ಬದುಕಿದೆ. ಯೋಗದಿಂದ ರೋಗ ದೂರ ಸಾರ್ಥಕದ ಬದುಕಿದೆ.